Ton over here. Hopefully you're all doing well. And today I want to talk about rating distribution across different review platform. And as business owners, we typically think that hey, people go on these third-party review sites mainly to leave negative reviews. And I want to share with you that might not necessarily be true. So let me show you some data over here. So this is from Yelp. Yelp is a public traded company, and it does have press releases and things like that. So if you look at the star rating distribution for Yelp, and I would assume it should be very much similar for Google and for Facebook. You can see majority of the reviews are positive. So 5 stars, right, across all the reviews on Yelp, 50% are 5 stars. That is a lot. And 18% are 4 stars. So if you look at the overall, what I would consider positive reviews are accounting for 68% already. That's more than 2/3 of the reviews being left on Yelp are positive. And then on this other extreme, 7% are 2 stars, 17% are 1 star. And most of these reviews that's being left that's negative, typically they're waiting and hoping that the business owner will reach out to them and try to repair the damage. So, and then hopefully they will come back and move up to 5 stars. But again, even if you don't do a lot of things with these negative reviews, they only account for 24%, right? But again, majority of reviews, 68% being left on Yelp are positive. Only, right, 24% of those being left are negative reviews. So, and I would assume that it should be very much similar for Google, Facebook, right, rating distribution. So what I'm trying to say here is don't think that the reason people leave reviews on these platforms are mainly negative reviews. Majority are positive, and you gotta ask, right? And the reason people left these 1 star, 2 star reviews is they want to be heard, and you still have a chance to move those back to 5 stars.